Today we're doing the unboxing for these candle holders. I love this style, but I didn't want them in clear, so I transformed them to gold and they're perfect. Okay, so let's open up our package, and they're well packed. They came nice and secure, and I can always appreciate good packaging. Okay, it took me a while to get them out of that bubble wrap. And here they are. They're looking nice and clear. Each one measures 2¼ inches, almost 2¼ inches, and the base is 2 inches across, and the top is 1�5�8 inches. Okay, now for the inside where you put the candle, it's 7/8 inches. All right, I have a candle here, but my candle doesn't fit well because my candle is only 3/4 inches, so it's a little bit wobbly. I also have this crystal candle holder, and it's the same for the candle holder, but I have a lotus and see it fits perfectly. So not all candle holders are created equal. So this candle holder is perfect for me. I'm going to be using regular candles in these candle holders. Okay, you could use the wax from the candle to hold it perfectly in the candle holder if you have the smaller candles. So I use a gold reflective spray paint, and I spray painted my candle holders. They look nice and clear, but I was going for a metallic look. So I searched for the perfect shape, and these candle holders match that shape, and now they actually look like metal.